Here's our breakfast at the Hyatt Category 3 Hotel. I was actually looking forward to it. Here's the toasted bread, and here's the breakfast. It is a potato, bacon, and scrambled egg. Actual real breakfast. So I was looking forward. We'll see how it is. I'll tell you after I eat. So you think about our breakfast?
Perfect.
Will you compare this to the other Hyatt place?
I think this one is better because they have bread and scrambled egg and bacon.
So basically, real warm breakfast to go. It's not the one that they just wrap and let you pick it up. This is better. So we recommend it to be here. Yeah, check it out. Rồi. Mà ít mà ít on this side. Here's a view from our hotel for the breakfast dining. We didn't eat out here; it was too cold. Yeah.
Because fresh air.
Fresh air and social distancing. I think this is one reason why it's a Category 3 hotel. First of all, look at the view. Second off, is next to many sightseeing places. There's one at the dam, and over there, I believe, about 15-20 minute drive, will be at Horseshoe Bend. Here's my parents. Here's my parent again. The VIP guest. Yep. And then I'm always complaining to my dad about you know, certain pictures and stuff like that. Yeah, all I can say. Don't cloud it. Yeah, you see. So, okay, you guys heads up. It's gonna be like a $10 parking for your Horseshoe Bend overlook. Okay. Right there we go. Yeah, like last year, it was free. Prior, like March 19th, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but last year before March, it was free. Since now, it costs $10 to park because they're using the money to create this area right here to make the trail pave and clean the area out. So I think it's a good investment, paying for that, for a good trail, good restroom, and all that stuff.
Horseshoe Bend, I've never been here before.
Nope, this is my first time.
Okay, so to see Horseshoe Bend, you're gonna walk 20 minutes on the trail in front of you each way.
Okay.
If you're looking for the restroom, they are at the very end of the parking,
Okay.
and it's $10, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Just a second, I'm gonna give
Okay.
you a receipt.
So how long is the trail?
20 minutes walk each way.
Okay.
So it's about 1.5 mile round trip.
Okay.
1.5
1.5 mile round trip, 20 minute each way.
So you're gonna put this receipt on the dashboard in front of you and enjoy the view, okay?
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Yeah, I'm gonna play it in the live, of course.
Hi, welcome to Horseshoe Bend.
So from the parking spot where it was told to Horseshoe Bend, it'll take about a 20-minute walk / hike. Round trip is a 1.5 miles. So you see, guy there. So here we are at Glen. Yeah, someone bored decides to stack up the rock on top of each other. I guess I'm supposed to join. We have one more rock to join this. Found it. Rock right here. Yeah. Here we finally arrived, or going to arrive at Horseshoe Bend. Let's see what's all about. Let's go this way where less people. Allow me some. Less people. Oh, no, nothing great here. That's why no one here. That's why I have a tire right there. Like line. No. Horseshoe Bend. The water's kind of neat. Okay, we're walking back from Horseshoe Bend. 20-minute walk and 20 minutes back. Fascinating area. Would I recommend it? Well, I would recommend it if you do come on before sunset, which you could actually begin seeing right now, like what, 11 a.m. You actually could begin seeing some of the color of the water. But I think sunset is the best time to come over here.
Hi guys, right now we are leaving from the Horseshoe Bend and we're heading to Grand Canyon, the North Rim. So from here to North Rim, it is take around like 2.5 hours. So we'll see you guys there. Horseshoe Bend, bye bye.
We're entering the Nojava Reservation. The Nojava Bridge is a national historic civil engineering landmark, completed in 1929 and ceremonied in 1998. And turn the bridge right here. State of Arizona, Nojava Bridge. This is the Colorado River map. Right there, you can see the slime. Ooh. Here's the Colorado River. You can see it.
This is Snow Rim view.
Rolling Spring Canyon, Grand Canyon view, 100 yard, going this way. Let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Wow. Breathtaking. of the world.